Hi everyone, welcome you all to the series Last 90 Days to CAT. In the last part, we've seen the candlestick chart. Today, we are talking about Venn diagrams. Particularly, we are talking about 4-set Venn diagram, which has been part of CAT in the past few years. So let's try and solve this question. We'll understand the basics also as part of this question. Students of MBA finally are planning their grad trips. 4 key locations are being finalized. Kasol, so let's say the first set, the red set is Kasol. Manali, the blue set is Manali. Goa, the green set is Goa. And finally the brown set, which is Coorg. Whenever you have to represent 4 sets, you can represent in this manner. If I talk about these regions, X, 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 these represent only a particular place. For example, only Kasol, only Manali, only Goa, only Coorg, right? If I talk about these places, Y, right? Y. So these places represent 2 out of the 4. For example, this represents Kasol and Manali. This represents only Goa and Coorg. This Y here represents only Kasol and Coorg, right? Similarly, if I talk about these places, Z, 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 these represent 3 out of the 4, right? So for example, this one represents Kasol, Manali and Goa, right? And finally, this spot in the center represents all 4. So Kasol also, Manali also, Goa also and Coorg also, right? I hope the basics is now clear. So let's have a look at the question. The number of people who voted for all the 4 locations is the smallest perfect number. What is a perfect number? A perfect number is a number whose divisors add up to the same number. Now, for example, the smallest perfect number is 6. The divisors are 1, 2 and 3. The only caveat is do not take the same number as the divisor. Otherwise, it will never happen. So if you don't take 6 as the divisor here, in this case, and add up the rest, you will get the same number. Again, another example can be 28. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, right? So these are the divisors or factors of this number. So if we don't consider the number itself and add up the rest of the factors, so 14 plus 7, 21, plus 4, 25, plus 3, 28, right? Such numbers are called perfect numbers. So here the number of people who voted for all the 4 locations is the smallest perfect number. So this is 6. The number of people who voted for only Kasol, only Manali, only Goa, only Coorg are in an increasing AP. The common difference being equal to the number of people who voted for only Goa and Kasol, and the sum being equal to 36. Let's park it for now. So people who like all except Kasol, which is 3 out of the 4, that let's say represent by X. All except Manali and all except Goa are equal. So what is all except Manali? All except Manali will be X and all except Goa will be again here X. People who like all except Coorg represent smallest 2-digit number with exactly 3 factors. Now the number with exactly 3 factors is a prime square. What is the smallest 2-digit number with exactly 3 factors? That must be 25. So then all except Coorg is 25. The total number of people who voted for 3 out of 4 places is a prime number less than 36. Now 25 plus x plus 3x is less than 36, and this is a prime number. What is the possibility? If I take x is equal to 1, this becomes 28. If I take here x is equal to 2, this becomes 31. If I take x is equal to 3, this becomes 34, and after that it moves past 36. Only prime number here is 31, so x is equal to 2. So this we have figured out is equal to 2. Now the people who voted only for Goa and Kasol is same as the people who voted for only Manali and Goa. Only Goa and Kasol is this, only Manali and Goa is this. Is same as the number of people who voted for all the places except Manali. All places except Manali is this, right? So these are also 2 and 2. Kasol and Goa is something which we know right now. Okay, so the common difference here is same as the number of people who voted for Goa and Kasol. So here the numbers, let's say x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. Why? Because common difference is same as the number of people who voted for only Kasol and Goa, right? So x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6. The sum has been given as 36. So if you add these up, we'll get 4x. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 6 is 12. That is given as 36. So x is equal to 6. So this is 6. This is equal to 8. This is equal to 10. And this is equal to 12. Kasol total is 59. Manali is total number of votes 53. Goa is 59. Coorg is 46. Now have a look at this. Here I have 6. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 10 plus 25 is 35. Plus 4 is 39 plus 10 is 49 plus 10 is 59. So the Goa piece is now complete. I have 3 spots left. So let's take 3 variables P, Q and R. If we have a look at the Kasol set, 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10 plus 25, 35 plus 6, 41 plus 2, 43. P plus Q is 59 minus 43. So P plus Q is equal to 16. Have a look at the Manali set. 25 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10. 35 plus 2 is 37 plus 8 is 43. So here Q plus R must be equal to 53 minus 45, that is equal to 8. And finally have a look at the Coorg set. We have 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 10 is 34. So P plus R is equal to 46 minus 34, that is 12. Now if I subtract, let's say this is equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Subtracting 2 from 1, we will get P minus R is equal to 8. And we have P plus R is equal to 12. So quite clearly if we solve the 2, we'll get P is equal to 10. We'll get R is equal to 2. And we'll get Q is equal to 6, right? So this is 10, Q is 6 and R is 2. So with that we come to the end of this. Every number we have found out. I hope this is clear to you.